welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time on my channel, hey, my name is Vanessa. Welcome to the channel. And if you're an OG on this channel, I just wanted to say I love you, okay? Welcome to the channel. Today we have an unboxing to do from Temu. You guys know this is going to be like my second time reviewing product from Temu because yes, I did one video before and I'm going to link it on this particular video so that if you have not watched that video, you can go and watch. And wait, hold up. Before we go into this video, before we go into this unboxing, have you liked this video? Have you liked this video? If you have not liked this video, please click on the like button ASAP. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And of course, if you love me and you want to see this face more, then please do well to subscribe to the channel so that you can always come back to watch my videos, turn on post notification, and of course, use the dollar sign to buy your girl some super chat. Anyways, without wasting more time, let us get right into. So, I got these two packages from Temu, you already know. And we're going to be starting with the unboxing with the very first one that came. This one came in last weekend, but I was like, no, I'm not going to be tempted to open it. I know myself, I love to unbox a lot, but I was like, let me just keep it aside. I'm not going to be tempted to unbox so that I can do the same thing with this other one because this one came in today. But yeah, let's get right into the unboxing, you guys. So from the last video, I have at least some kind of expectations about their products, okay? And as usual, I'm going to be putting like the whatever I ordered and showcasing also what I got. So let us go. Let's open this up. Let's open. If there's anything I love to do is unboxing. Ooh, we have everything here on the table. Okay, first things first, we are going to start with this. Okay, so let us start with this. Yeah, so this, I know you'll be wondering what it is, okay, but this is a sticker. All right, this is a sticker. So for those who are into business, you would understand, what this is because you can use it to like, you can stick it onto like maybe like your clients' items, when like your packaging and all of that. So it's a sticker for like packaging and just to give it a like aesthetic vibe. So I ordered this one solely because of my customers. I actually expected it like it was gonna be bigger than this, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. It still looks very nice. Okay, so you just need to take out like one. If you want to use it, just take out one of it this way. Okay, stick it to whatever you want to stick it on, and yeah, so that's it. So that's the very first item. I'm not sad about this at all because it's going to be like very useful. The next item we're going to be unboxing definitely is this bag. Okay, so this is a traveling bag. I'm going to be putting what it looks like here on the screen, but this is a bag, a traveling bag. It's an extra large bag actually, according to what they said. That was what they said. So, but let us open it and see if actually it is an extra large bag. Okay. Oh wow. This covers like the whole screen, literally. Like, oh my god, this is actually extra large. Whoa. It's a big bag and it is best for traveling, especially like when you are for those who like.
Okay, so at this point, I actually lost the audio to this very video because my mic kind of died on me. I didn't take note of it, and I just continued talking and rambling. Basically, I was just saying that the bag is actually like very, very fine. It's very worth it. It's actually very big. They said it was an extra large bag, and trust me, it is really an extra large bag, and I love it so much, especially for those who like to pack a lot of things when you're traveling, like say out of the country. It fits for that kind of like purposes because it's going to be carrying a lot of things, and for the fact that it does not have weight, it also comes with like a zipper, okay, that you can easily like just zip your bag. It's going to save you like a lot of money, especially when it comes to paying for extra luggages, okay? So you might want to check that out on Temu, okay? So the next item that we got is this package that I got for my husband. So the last time I got stuff, I didn't get him anything. So this time around, when I was getting stuff like free gifts, I said, okay, let me add something to the cart, for him. And I decided to pick this set of watches, wristwatch rather, and it came like a set of watch. It had like other, accessories that came with the watch as well, and it looks very nice. I also like the fact that it was not in gold or silver or anything, because I know that yes, any of those gold silver jewelries will definitely like wash off over time, but for this one it came in the leather form, so I really really liked that about it. And yeah, the watch was given, the accessories were also given. I really really like them, and hubby also, he likes them a lot. Yeah, so if you are thinking of getting, your baby boy anything, you can also try to check out, this particular watch set. Very nice, very nice. Then the next item we're unboxing. Don't worry, the audio gets better with time, okay? Because at some point I finally noticed that my audio was off, and I got my second mic. So that's why it's good to have two mics. But yeah, back to the topic of discussion. The next item that we're going to be unboxing is this very beautiful statue that I saw. I could not resist when I saw this. Okay, it's a thinking lady, and when I saw it I was like, oh, this would fit very nice in my console. Why don't I pick it? And I decided to like, go with it. It fits perfectly with my console. I already placed it, by the way, and I was like, yes, if I see something like this again, I definitely, would still get it. It wasn't like as big as, it looks like in the picture, because yes, like I said, I'm putting like the picture for you guys to see, but trust me, it was good.
Okay, so now let's go into the second package. Okay, let's go. Let's move all of this one to the side, and then we go into the second unboxing, second package unboxing. So this very one, I got this very one for the baby boy. Okay, I got this very one for my husband, and yeah, just so I can tell you guys, this all these things I unboxed, like they are all free. I didn't pay a dime. I didn't pay one kobo for any of these things. So let us go ahead and unbox that of the baby boy. Okay. When I did for myself, I was like, no, I just have to do for this man as well. This is the love of my life. I cannot allow him to be behind. So I need to spoil him as well. So definitely I'm going to add the pictures of, what I ordered for him and then what came in. Okay. So we're going to be starting. Let me move everything from the bag and yeah. Okay, now that is out of the way. Now let us start with the unboxing of his own. Okay, let me check my mic. Yes, I have to check my mic because the first mic died on me and I didn't know I had to change it. So this is the very first one. Okay, so I went a size higher than his, like his normal size. Okay, so I went for like an XL instead of the usual large he wears. And oh my god, you guys, I am loving, loving, loving this. This is not cotton, by the way. This is like, those shirts that you wear and pass on. Literally, like, this is like the kind of material. Like, it's not cotton. So it is, I don't know the name, okay, but it's not cotton. The neck is cotton, but the body itself is not cotton. I love, 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 love it. This is free, you guys, absolutely free. I did not pay 1 naira for this item. I did not pay 1 naira. One, in fact, one kobo I didn't pay. Now on to the next one. Let us unbox the next one. Okay, this is another polo. This is also in XL. Okay, I got this for him in XL as well. And you can see this is what it looks like. I love, love, love. Oh my god. Like this thing is woo! Hey. Anyways, that's the second one. The third one. Okay. This one I also ordered it in XL, but I'm seeing they are writing 3 times large. Okay, US XL. Okay, 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 okay. Let me not crucify. Okay, let me not crucify. So this is the third polo. This is what it looks like. You guys, these shirts are giving quality. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. These shirts are giving quality. Like real quality. And they are all free. Like the fact that they are all free is what is giving me so much joy. I didn't leave my baby boy behind. Like I worked hard for it. Now let's go into the next item. Okay. Now I also ordered let me set this aside. I also ordered these ones in XL as well. So this three like this, okay? This whole three came as one package, all right? So it's like a three-in-one shirt. So I picked this one, and then because you can win four items, so I picked this one as one package, and then I picked the three polos, okay? So now let us open this up and see. Oh my god, you guys! Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Oh, these shirts are mad. Yo, and I'm happy. I chose XL for all. Okay, I chose XL for all because like I wanted something that he can wear and be comfortable because my husband like is a little bit tall, so I don't want a situation where because he's tall, I don't want it to like be all jumpy for him. Okay, so this is the first one by the way. I love it. I love the quality of this shirt. It's very nice, and yeah, this is like his style. Don't mind me, oh, I am checking my mic like at intervals because the first mic died on me. I don't want the same thing to happen. This is the second one. This is the second one. Okay, you can see. Oh my God, I love this one. My husband used to have something like this, but yeah, he has given it out now. So I'm happy that at least I was able to replace it for him. Yay! This and it's so clean. Oh my God, you guys look at the way I'm blushing. I'm definitely going to steal one of these polos, by the way. That's for sure. I'm stealing one of the polo, and then this is the last one. This is the last piece. Okay, so all these things that I unboxed here, all these things that I unboxed here, guys, they are completely free. I did not pay 1 naira. When I mean 1 naira, I did not pay 1 naira for any of these items. These items were shipped to me for free. They were sent to me for free by Temu. I did not pay a dime. So like I said before, these items I actually calmed down like and I selected them for my baby boy and even for the ones for myself. Like this very one. This is one thing I love so much amongst like everything I got. I'm like I love things like this, okay? And I don't regret one bit. Like even if I had spent my money like buying this item, I will not regret it one bit. Why? Because they meet expectations. I'm not saying this because Timu sent me items or like they are free items. No. Don't get me wrong. I had to work for it. Okay, I worked for it, so it's not as if I didn't work for it. I worked for it. But trust me, for the fact that they are free, it gives me extra joy. You guys, I was not even meant to do this video today, but I was like, no, I cannot wait any longer. I just have to unbox this item and see for myself. And you guys, they definitely met expectations. Like I said in my previous video, please read your description. If you're ordering from Temu is not a scam. Read your description very, very well, and you will be happy that you did. You know why? Because you will get exactly what you ordered. The only things that I may not really say you should order from Temu are like hairs and say jewelries, especially those gold coated ones. I wouldn't really advise you because for me here, I always tell you guys the truth. I would not really advise you because it will not last. The last jewelries that came, I tried to wear them like a day, 2 days, 3 days, and they were already like fading off. So definitely jewelry is a no-no. But jewelry wigs for me, I've already cancelled those two. I didn't buy wig, but I definitely don't want to like even shop from for weeks like from there, because of course you don't expect anything, less than synthetic, okay? But then you see clothes, and their size is true. Their sizes are very, very true to size. Very, very true to size. Like all of these things that I ordered, like all these clothes that I ordered, they are actually like, the exact size that I ordered. And just read description. Like let me not talk so much. You guys just read description. Okay, that will be the end of this video. If you have watched up to this very moment, please don't forget to give this video a very big like, subscribe to the channel to join the family, and of course, now if you want to support your baby girl in this ministry, please hit that $sign to buy your girl some super chats, super thanks, super stickers, whatever it is. Just share support my ministry, okay? And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.